Hey everyone, this is Dikshan Notial, first year chemical engineering student at NIT Raipur.
Hello everyone, this is myself Sachidanand Singh.
Hello, my name is Akash Singh.
The language of love understood by nature very well. It understands every feeling. Love exists in everything nature has to offer and it will always be there like flower blooming, the rain, पक्षियों की मधुर ध्वनि, फूलों की लुभानी खुशबुएं, पेड़ों से निकलने वाले प्राण वायु जो कि सदैव हमारी सांसों में शामिल है. नेचर हमेशा हमारे आसपास होती है, बस इसे फील करने की कोशिश हमें करनी होती है.
For me, nature is the place where all living and non-living entities get opportunity to live and develop themselves for their survival with equal rights on all the resources available in nature.
Nature in itself is the ultimate teacher and super mother which teaches the basic moral, fundamental quality of selfless sacrifice. In itself is a super reflection of a being. It does not include only components like sunlight, water, soil, etc. Rather, it is a super soul or superpower which controls the emotions and connection between various level of organisms like love.
The organic and living part of nature are made up of plant, animal and microbes. In terms of physical geography, the earth is made up of four major components: the atmosphere, the lithosphere, the hydrosphere and the biosphere.
Component of nature are soil, atmosphere, water, plant, animal, radiation from the sun, and living organism.
वैसे देखा जाए तो नेचर हमारी आधारशिला है. जैसे मकान बिना नींव के खड़ा नहीं हो सकता है, उसी प्रकार नेचर भी हमारा आधार है और बिना नेचर के मानव जीवन का एग्जिस्टेंस हो ही नहीं सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट नेचर.
We can't survive without existence of nature because from where we got our food, air and water, definitely we got all these things from nature. That's why we start protecting the nature.
Nature does always take care of each and every component like its own child. However, instead of being self-dependent, we are exploiting the nature. Therefore, it is very much necessary for ourselves to study the relationship between human and nature.
The relationship between human and nature is very sensitive for the future of living organism within nature. Because among all the species living on earth, the humans are the most powerful and intelligent. And every decision taken by humans will decide the future of all the other living organisms on earth. Therefore, for the sake of healthy future of our ecosystem and to understand the behavior of nature, the study of human-nature relationship is very important.
आज हम अपनी लाइफ में जो भी चीज़ें यूज कर रहे हैं वे सभी हमें प्रकृति से ही प्राप्त हुई हैं. जैसे फल फूल, प्राकृतिक औषधियाँ इत्यादि. वहीं दूसरी ओर प्राकृतिक संपर्क में रहने से हमें स्ट्रेस, एंगर जैसे प्रॉब्लम से काफ़ी हद तक छुटकारा मिल जाता है.
How do we get benefit from nature? The food we eat, the clothes we wear, the house we are living in, and all the comforts we are enjoying are derived from nature. The artificial products or man-made products are all the derived products of nature.
तनाव में कमी प्रकृति में बाहर रहने के सबसे प्रसिद्ध लाभों में से एक है. बाहर जाना या प्रकृति को देखने से क्रोध भय को कम करता है. एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट अवर कोऑपरेशन, लर्निंग, कंसंट्रेशन, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, डेवलपमेंट एंड सेल्फ अवेयरनेस.
Human destroy nature in many ways. Deforestation, overpopulation, burning fossil fuels, they all are like destroying nature. if we use natural resource in sufficient amount, then it's like nature can regenerate. But if we are overexploit the resources of nature, then it creates a problem, and natural recycling process get irregular, and we all are just like destroying nature.
Humans may destroy natural landscapes and mine resources and urbanized areas. Some examples include the mining of natural resources like coal, hunting and fishing of animals for food, and clearing the forest for urbanization and wood use.
How do humans are destroying the nature? For every purposes, because of our greediness, we are destroying the nature lot and a lot. For just to write on the paper, we are cutting a lot of trees. To construct a house, we are destroying a lot of forest area. For industries and etc. etc. A lot of things we are destroying nature. We are polluting the water, polluting the air, cutting the trees down. In every way we are destroying the nature.
Not completely. In my perspective, industry and technology is not alone responsible for the harmful effects on nature. However, the greed of humans is the most important factor for this harm. Because use of technology in a sustainable way is good for humankind and also not much harmful for nature. So, the entire blame of messing up with nature should not impose only on the technology alone, but the humans are equally responsible for this harm.
Yes, I agree that industry also causes a lot of pollution. Being an engineering student, I am always try to develop such an equipment which should produce energy beneficial for industry as well as produce less environmental pollution also. Thus, by this way, I am contributing towards environment being an engineering student.
Being an engineering graduate, yes, I do feel that industry and technology have much destroyed our nature. Because emphasis has been not laid on the very little part of the renewable energy. If human wanted, they can have a very large scale of solar energy, wind energy, which is renewable source of energy. But the greediness and profit making, which is money, made them over exploitation and degradation, pollution of nature. Therefore, industry and technology, which were not sustainable, destroyed our nature. Instead of that, we should have done a sustainable energy reform.